Ciao bella, che fai stasera? Ti amo ragazza! Ti amo!
Stupida ragazza.
At these days, we shared really nice moments, but I think one of my favorites were our visit in the village of Roma, because we had the opportunity to learn many things about them, even things you would never know before our visit, and to play with your kids. And that thing made me really happy, because at the end of the day, some kids came to hug me, and I felt that I really helped in some way to make them happy.
I love very much the other countries, to make new friends and to make many experience about that.
The most memorable thing on this Erasmus Plus project, I think, are those laughs and funny moments that we all shared, and hugs and all the crazy ideas and stuff that we did.
It was one of the last days and we were all dancing to the same song, and I just felt like we're all from the same country, we all know each other, and it really was an amazing moment for me, so yeah.
What if you loved me? Why'd you leave me? Take my body, take my body. All I want is, and all I need is to find some.
There was a very happy and free atmosphere.
I think this friendship is gonna last more than just these 10 days, and I can't wait to see people again and to stay in touch with them. It was just such an amazing experience to feel connected with all the group and share this energy and all these moments with them.